Hello Crafty Flosstube, my name is Tia and you've reached my channel here at Calm Creations on YouTube. Today I am doing the draw for the support group pack from the Fat Quarter Shop that they kindly sent me to give a set away. So they sent me two sets, one for me and one for you. So I've got my little bowl cozy here with all the entries in it. So I'm going to draw the winner, and then if you can get back to me today, I'll be able to get it out in the post to you today. Otherwise I won't be able to get to the post shop until Tuesday. So let's draw a winner. Okay, who have we got? We have got Ellen Easter. Congratulations, Ellen. And Ellen's comment was, my greatest support is my family. So if you would like to message me on Instagram with your postal details, I'll get it out in the post to you either this afternoon or it'll be Tuesday. But I will leave a comment on your comment, and congratulations. So thank you everyone who entered. The comments were lovely and I agree with all of them. So thank you very much, and we'll see you all again next time. Bye.